Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will use xCloud to create a staging site with the pull and push data feature. If you are running experiments or updating changes, xCloud makes it incredibly easy with staging sites. Let us get started. First, log in to your xCloud dashboard. Select a live or production site to create a staging site. Click on the Deploy Staging button or choose Add Staging Environment. Then click on the Deploy Staging button, and the creation of your staging site will start. After a while, your staging site will be ready with an xCloud test domain. This site will be a complete copy of your production site. To access the pull-push option of xCloud, just click on the Staging Management. Here you will get the Pull Data and Push Data button. You can run experiments with this staging site and later push them to your live site. To push your latest changes, click on the Push Data option and enable Files. From here, choose Overwrite if you want to push the whole site again, or choose Incremental to push only the latest changes. Then enable the database and choose whether you want to push the full database, or you can select the tables that you want to bring to your live site only. Before you proceed to the final step, make sure you have a backup of your production site. Finally, hit the Push to Production button and the changes will start to fetch with your production site. Likewise, you can pull the latest changes from your production site as well. Click on the Pull Data and enable both options, like we did for the Push Data option, and hit on the Pull Data option and it will bring the latest changes to your staging site from your production site. Check out the Deployment Logs section, where you can check every update in real time to stay informed about your site activity. Now, if you hover over the staging site, you can see the production site of your staging site. And that's it. This is how easily you can create a staging site with xCloud. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.